Does the color of water affect its temperature? By Aubrey Bowlin. Table of contents. These are a total of 19 slides. Research, my 5 sources, and then my 5 questions. Hypothesis. If different colors of water are all placed in sunlight for the same amount of time, then I think that the warmer tone colors would increase in temperature and the lighter tones will decrease because darker colors like black attract/absorb sunlight. Materials, food coloring, thermometer, timer, science journal, and 3 glass containers with tap water. Then these are 3 pictures of my needed materials. Procedure. I have 10 steps that conclude my procedure and that will need to execute my experimentation. Variables. Independent variable, the amount of water. Dependent variable, the color of water. Constants, the temperature and sunlight. Control variable, the water without any food coloring. Research plan part 1, investigative question, does the color of water affect the temperature? And then my hypothesis, as I stated once before. Procedure, I have, as I stated once before, and then data analysis. My data will be collected by measuring the change in temperature of each color while they sit in the sun for 30 minutes, 1 hour, and 1 hour and a half, and then my 5 sources. Experimentation, on my left, I have my first trial, which without any food coloring or sunlight, and then my second trial is with food coloring after immediately being added, and then trial 2, trial 3 on the right, and then trial 4. And then this is images of me doing my experiment. Data analysis, I have these organized in trials after 30, 1 hour, and then 1 hour and a half, and then my average on the right. This is my conclusion and organization of my science fair project. My abstract, if different colors of water are placed in sunlight for the same amount of time, then I think that the warmer tone colors would increase in temperature and the lighter tones will decrease because darker colors like black attract/absorb sunlight. And then the procedure will need to take place to perform this experiment will involve measuring the temperature, sunlight, and different colors of water. These are needed components. Conclusion, I stated my hypothesis in that I know a lot of knowledge on the subject. I gained a lot of knowledge on the subject too, and also I ran my experiment around noon, and the sun is at its highest at 12. And then I stated how it can be used in the real world and what I would do differently with my experiment. Acknowledgements, I would like to thank my mother, Amy Bowlin, and my science teacher, Ms. Truman, for helping me produce my science fair project and my 5 sources. Does the color of water affect its temperature? By Aubrey Bowlin.